Okay, Biakamal, and you know the me like economic activities in rural area. Uh, na me man bana latin ci correct ku shifting cultivation chana right ku nomadic farming ci konyo right ku commercial plantation chana right ku mixed farming ci konyo right ku subsistence farming chana right dairy farming ci correct arable farming ci correct livestock ranching ci correct ka to kokien gwad me man bukono kula lat e on me ka gore jeno ba tanin ba ka kamya we are going to do this thing together. Okay. Manyam, Shawanena, shifting cultivation is commonly practiced in the tropic. It involves forest clearance through burning and slashing. Chukoro itineme already. Lana me shifting cultivation cha itung lat kon gwadame. Jen farming ki pieda dan la pied ke pinkeniam bakak baje pur baja pur ke leo baja kula pit iyo ko kore yo miche te karon an pia da mo ki na to ba nyo kami woi ke jwa te content re da ba ko porar ka ba ko wang ba chu pel ka korun ka na mo kon chol shifting cultivation na mo cha tok men ko kon le te gwa da mene mene chawane na blang is the practice of keeping and grazing animal on natural pasture. It is common in the arid and semi-arid regions such as certain part of Saudi Arabia and northern Africa and northern part of Eurasia. Gwada mani wa ne ti wa lakin le la le ken chicken gel lakin ka pi chene ka wa ken use ken do eventual ke allow miet ga kechang no no ke pit ke chang chicken chet ke nomadic dan ti kora ke kwide nomadic ci kora kwiden o jen la na mani lakin jien gwad me bi kulo wo gwan ko kien ka pit kan o kien ke le kien gwas me duno na me muda dien na me farming mu yos ke neden la arab kan some part of africa gwad kan ocean part gwad me na me chale animal animal asban okay asban sorry asbandary actually animal husbandry sorry okay you know di jigana okay okay manage nyot kon ala kenditi ta dan tekeke shall animal husbandry ala leken let ken ga cheng chicken ga jal tel gwawo gatin namo janan yam amana dien gwasme chalare nene that focus on rearing animal. Unlike nomadic herding, farmers do not move from one place to another in search of pasture and water. And allow focusing on rearing an animal, unlike nomadic, waken chicken chitka nomadic need la jen bane ti pit kan hok pit kan hok pit kan lay no kata dan detin na me mishal ke livestock farming ala pit kan ke chien ken ano chechet kamichalele animal husbandry na me la practice of keeping and grazing animal gwa kele mo lo na mi minyot ko cha kon yugul la daga Saudi Arabia la daga North Africa ba na me livestock uh, livestock gwa da mane livestock farming ano de kon jiga no okay livestock ko ran go region oda na mda jangach sorry hold on okay name livestock farming ko focus ka ta danen kwa le kwa rapid ke je rechen ano chechet ka nomadic lat kone nomadic chechet ka ko nomadic panken la kana jen buko gwad ma ko gwara din livestock farming a jen right kon ka kwide ma gwasa ma mana dien gwasa ma cha kon yo jongni uh, Tim Shalat Guasemesha that cover large area even if practiced on a small piece of land. The activity has a high commercial values. It involved the cultivation of tropical crops such as tea, rubber, coffee, coconut, cocoa, grapes, apple, spices, orange, and ala na meme nangwan medida ko ba dor ba je pitinde choladi name plantation farming. Plantation shia dio je shia cotton shia jenentin jan lot ko plantation farm ajen ta mananan ko gwam dit ko ja cover long kata dan long de rande jangai keje. Okay, wana work plantation farming. Meridian Guasame Merai Continuok shower Dutch involve the growing of crops and rearing of animals. It has its origin in the Hamid mid latitudes excluding Asia. Wajaname Pietka Beltin ka Pietka Leighton Dio Yaname Mixco Melatka Guatskele mix it farm. Mixed farming jento guadamane jen jekande jekaja. Monadian Guazame that involve growing crops and keeping animals for sole purpose of feeding the farmer and his family. It involved the use of simple farm tool on a small piece of land. Name wa kam la porke misham ke jisheng dio je chokora tin mandan commercial ke subsistence farming and a man. Subsistence farm. They can actually subsistence farming ajan lot ko mogwad me ko jan ko miet ni jishan karodian ko bi ke tek tel ne ko kien a chicken ga kok no lada karwa de lere ka kwi jishan mana dian gwad me cha kon yoga joga Dutch involves the rearing of cattle for milk with its origin in Europe. The activity is high developed in Sweden and Denmark. Name wa piet ke ko ba chakien ba ga cham ke ba chakien ba ga lat kan wani a later to cha kon ju make example of shit ko hok name chi ko right in me shale dairy farming ko jan cham kani tin kontin be rar ko hok shale dairy farming man den gwa men bu kon yo ko murai kontin you know Jakon Joge Dutch, unlike pastoral or mixed farming, involves the growing of crops without keeping animals. It can be practiced on large commercial or small scale. And me wajen lerde alo chechet ke mix farming gwada and piet ko kan beltin chelet chicken chechet ke je alajen point la piet ka ne bel tin karwa de you know late piet ka tin na ma shwale arable farming arable farming okay arable farm na many bi shunga jeno kenen kone kon kalat gwasa me misho wi ka jan man ci kona practice already livestock gwasa me shawrenching is the activity of running a large farm, especially one used for raising cattle or also sheep chigmi chanen gwadme gwadme piet kene leitin kwake ko ba dor jektin ja livestock ranching name arable farming then it means that only crops are grown on a farm and then used or sold by a farmer according to his or her needs. The arable farming need balanced moisture and human resource to work ala piet kene ngwane ki lat kono no piet ken chechet kana la piet kene kelten ana lo chile chicken tin gwas men tele late gor tin mi kon arable farming me lo piet kene bel tin karodian jen shane no ni kajen nanga gwan mi di long jala arable dairy farming gwas ko la do jen ta dan piet kele ka kwi sha ken shit ke det ko wewe ko ba la tugo lat ke liet lat ke chale yogurt ke not ice cream wewe no chikon yo right ke subsistence farming na me kang mo porke jishen karodian ko bi kan sham be feed ne kan jishen mo karodian ko bi ke take care they have to survive ka ta dan pit kan je chale subsistence farming jenen yen mo gwada me mon yen chana right ke qui mix farming gwada piet ngwane ten chamat gwad ke lalak piet ke letin ke piet ke juaitin ke tin koken dial jen chanen gwada mitin kon piet ke tin chale mixed farming dio dien to correct commercial plantation gwad mi mo piet ke titi chala commercial farming ko ken piet ka crop tin tobacco cotton piet tin sugar cane tobacco tea oil seed awe we no chala di chala commercial plantation machine nga plantation jana to cotton teten ka bel ken dial mix chakulu chiga mix but titi kwa ka goro den chikon nyo right commercial nomadic farming jen kanete kon and jelte piet ka leken chicken te ka gwan mi chunga tena la permanent place but ken la kana jel gwada mbuga leken bukan ka pietin buga nyoko jien buga gwada dien nomadic farming is a farming This farming is done by people who are not permanent residents of an area and who keep on moving. Nomadic farming includes rearing of cow, goat, sheep, various cattle, and head people to take from one place to another wherever they travel. Peace can go buga jalbo gwara dian yanta dan te chalga nomadic farming. Farming lo dian gwada mena menchol kone shifting cultivation. Gwada me akak mala piet ka karon ka ba je pel karon do dian ka ba je pel lo cha jua dian la de cha ka ngok ke cha ka wo ka cha jen bo cha je wang ko bo ko te ko gwada me bi munda bo ko lo gwa je ba pel ka ko run ka banawo ka mo do dian ba gwada me cha yal ka mo ba nya ko por bana ba te karon ba lo pit karon do dian dio je mi chro je mo to ten and listen me please sum up ka gor no bi subscribe ki bi nyu anasin ko ken ba te ka mal bye bye.